Money just died. Your cash is worthless. Your bank account is a number that buys nothing, and you need to eat tomorrow. So what becomes currency when currency fails? These 5 things. Learn them now or starve later. When money collapses, it doesn't disappear. It just stops working. Venezuela, the bolivar still exists. It's worthless. Zimbabwe, dollars still printed. Nobody accepted them. Weimar Germany, marks everywhere. Couldn't buy bread. The paper's there. The value isn't. And when that happens, something else becomes money. Always. Every collapse, every country. Same 5 things. Number 1, food. Shelf-stable, calorie-dense food. Rice, beans, canned goods, oil, salt, flour. These become money. Real money. In Venezuela's collapse, a kilogram of rice was currency. People traded it for repairs, medicine, labor. A can of tuna bought a haircut. Food is ultimate currency because everyone needs it, every day, no exceptions. Food works as currency because it has intrinsic value. You can eat it. It's divisible. 1 can, half a bag, 3 eggs. You make change. It's portable, and it's universally desired. Everyone needs calories. That's demand that never dies. Argentina's 2001 collapse, canned goods were gold. People who stocked up became wealthy, not because they had money, because they had food, and food bought everything else: labor, services, tools, medicine, everything. But not all food works. Perishables don't. Fresh vegetables rot, meat spoils. You need shelf-stable food that lasts years. Because in hyperinflation, supply chains collapse, stores empty, and that can of beans you bought for $3 is now worth $300, or priceless. Stock up now, not when inflation starts, now. When panic starts, shelves empty in hours. Venezuela, people lined up for days. Fights broke out. By day 3, nothing left. But the person who bought 50 bags of rice last month, they're eating, trading, surviving. Number 2, alcohol. Liquor becomes premium currency. Whiskey, vodka, rum, beer, wine, moonshine. Post-WW2 Germany, alcohol was real currency. The Reichsmark was toilet paper, but a bottle of schnapps bought a month of rent. A case of beer bought a bicycle. Why does alcohol work? It's a luxury that becomes necessity. When life is hell, people want escape. It doesn't spoil, a bottle lasts forever. It has multiple uses: drinking, disinfectant, pain management, trade value. 1 bottle, 3 purposes. Venezuela's collapse, a bottle of whiskey trades for a month of food. A month. People trade gold jewelry for alcohol, family heirlooms for beer. Because when the world collapses, people want to forget, and they'll pay anything. The investment math. Buy alcohol now at $15. When hyperinflation hits, that bottle is worth $1,500 in relative value, or more. You're buying currency that appreciates while official currency collapses. You don't drink it. You own it. Stock it. Trade it. You don't need fancy brands. In collapse, people don't care about smooth finish. They care about alcohol content. Cheap vodka works as well as premium. Function beats form when money dies. Number 3, cigarettes and tobacco. The vice that becomes wealth. Cigarettes are perfect currency. Small, portable, individually divisible. 1 cigarette is 1 unit. A pack is 20. A carton is 200. Exact change. They're universally desired by smokers, and smokers don't stop during collapse. They smoke more. Post-war Europe, cigarettes were money. American soldiers traded cigarettes for everything: food, shelter, labor, information. A pack bought a hotel night. 5 cigarettes bought a meal. Official currency barely worked. Cigarettes always worked. Venezuela, a carton of Marlboros is worth more than a month's salary. Zimbabwe, during hyperinflation, cigarettes became black market currency. People who stocked cartons became wealthy. Cigarettes work because they're standardized. Everyone knows the value. They're addictive. Demand is guaranteed. Smokers trade anything when they run out. Anything. Food, tools, gold. Addiction is powerful economics. You're on the supply side. Stock them even if you don't smoke, especially if you don't. A carton costs $40 now. During collapse, worth $400 or $4,000 or a week of food. Buy 20 cartons, store cool and dry. They last years. $800 today, survival wealth tomorrow. Number 4, fuel. Gasoline, diesel, propane. Liquid energy becomes liquid gold. When economy collapses, fuel becomes impossible to find. Not expensive, impossible. Stations run dry, supply chains break, refineries shut down. The guy with 5 gallons of gas has power. He can go places, run generators, heat his home. Everyone else, stuck, cold, powerless. Zimbabwe's collapse, fuel lines stretched for miles, days of waiting. People abandoned cars in line waiting for gas. But people with stored fuel, they moved freely, traded fuel for food, security, medicine. 5 gallons bought a month of groceries. Venezuela now, gas stations military controlled, rationing, lines, violence. If you have fuel, you're rich. You can travel to find food, run generators to preserve food, charge phones, operate when the system stopped. Storing fuel is tricky. Gasoline degrades. Add stabilizer lasts 2 years. Diesel lasts longer. Propane lasts indefinitely. Store safe, legal, smart. 5-gallon cans, 20-gallon drums, propane tanks. Argentina, people traded motorcycles for 20 gallons. Motorcycles. Because what good is a motorcycle without fuel? Metal sculpture. But fuel is utility, movement, wealth. Start storing now.
Fill containers. Keep sealed, cool, rotated yearly. When collapse comes, fuel disappears first, before food sometimes. Everyone realizes simultaneously they need it. Never enough, except for people who prepared. Number 5, medicine and medical supplies. Health is wealth. Antibiotics, pain relievers, insulin, antiseptics, bandages, first aid equipment. When economy collapses, medical system collapses, hospitals run out, pharmacies close. People still get sick, still injured, still need treatment, but treatment becomes unavailable unless you have supplies. Venezuela's collapse proved this. Pharmacies empty, hospital shelves bare. People died from infections antibiotics cure easily, died from diabetes when insulin disappeared. But people with medicine stockpiles, they saved lives and built wealth. Antibiotics bought a month of food. Insulin bought gold. Medicine works as currency because it's life or death. When your child has infection and you have antibiotics, parents trade everything, their car, jewelry, home, everything. That desperation creates value. You're not exploiting. You're providing what the system can't. Stock over-the-counter medications now. Ibuprofen, acetaminophen, antihistamines, wound care. Buy bulk, store cool and dry, last years. Prescription medications harder but possible. Talk to your doctor about emergency supplies. Medical knowledge is currency too. Treating wounds, setting bones, recognizing infection. These skills become priceless. Can't be stolen, can't be confiscated. You carry it in your head, and it pays dividends every day. Here's reality. When money dies, these 5 things become money. Food, alcohol, cigarettes, fuel, medicine. Every collapse proves it. Weimar Germany, post-war Europe, Soviet Union, Argentina, Zimbabwe, Venezuela. Same pattern, same 5 categories. People who recognized this early became wealthy. People who didn't, struggled. People who prepared, thrived. You're getting the information now, before your currency collapses, before hyperinflation, before panic. That's an advantage. Use it. Start stocking now, not tomorrow, today. Buy rice and beans, buy vodka bottles, buy cigarette cartons, buy fuel containers, buy medical supplies. Diversify across all 5. You don't know which trades best in your collapse. Having all 5 means prepared for anything. When economy collapses, when money dies, when everyone's panicking, you're calm. You have real wealth, not paper wealth, not digital wealth, real physical wealth that holds value when nothing else does. You have currency when currency fails. They'll ask how you knew, how you prepared, how you survived when they lost everything. You don't explain, you just show them you were ready. Money dies, systems fail, but you keep trading, keep surviving, keep going, because you understood what becomes currency when currency fails.